Hi, and today's Your Heart in 90 Seconds. I'm going to talk to you about good fats versus bad fats, how those fats impact your heart, and how you can decrease your risk of having a heart attack. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell so you can get notified when we release a new video. Hi, I'm Shauna from Pulse Cardiac Health, and I'm going to talk to you about good fats versus bad fats. Now, the difference between a good fat and a bad fat is really the level of saturation on the chemical structure itself. So a saturated fat is what's typically known as a bad fat, whereas an unsaturated fat is what's known as a good fat. So how this relates to your heart health is saturated fats contribute to an increase in your LDL, your bad cholesterol. And that's the gunk causing stuff that gets into your arteries, creates blockages and the potential of a heart attack. So we want to decrease that LDL and decrease our saturated fat. Now, the majority of us get most of our saturated fat from the meat that we eat. That's that beef and pork. The red meats have more saturated fat than chicken, fish, or turkey, which is the white meats. So if you're going to eat meat, lean a little bit more towards chicken, fish, and turkey. Plant-based proteins would even be better. The other ways that we get our saturated fat are in those dairy products. So our creams and our cheeses and our yogurts and our milks. So we want to decrease the amount of fat in those products. And the other thing is coconut oil. Now, coconut oil was touted as a health food for a while there, but it actually has a lot of saturated fat too. Now, the kicker is that we don't want to just get rid of the saturated fat. What is really going to make the best impact to our risk for heart disease is replacing the saturated fat with what's called polyunsaturated fat. Don't get into the words too much, but the polyunsaturated fats are better fats for you. They're in that good fat phase. And that's like ground flax or flax oil, chia seeds, sunflower oil, those types of things, walnuts, those types of things are much, much better for you. And the replacement is actually what's going to make the best impact. So I hope you've learned a little bit of something in this 90 seconds. Have a great day.